In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Subscript in Notion. If you've ever wanted to format things like chemical formulas, variables, or any text that needs a smaller character placed below the line, Notion gives you a simple way to do it using inline equations. Once you know where to click and what to type, it only takes a few seconds. To get started, place your cursor exactly where you want the subscript text to appear. This is important because Notion will insert the formatted text right at that spot. Whether it's in a sentence, a heading, or a note, taking a moment to place the cursor correctly helps avoid having to move or redo the formatting afterward. Next, type /inline math or simply /math and then choose inline equation from the drop-down menu. This opens Notion's inline math feature, which is what allows you to create subscript formatting. If the drop-down appears while you are typing, just select the inline equation option and continue from there. This tool is often used for math, but it's also very useful for simple text formatting like subscripts. Once the inline equation box is active, type your base text first. Then add an underscore. And then type the character or text you want to appear as the subscript. The underscore is the key part here, because it tells Notion to place the next character lower than the main text. For example, if you want to write water correctly, type H_20. Notion will render that as H subscript 20 or H_FAO. This is a very common use case and a great way to test that you are doing it correctly. The same method works for other formulas and notations where one or more characters need to appear as subscript. When you are finished, press Enter or click Done to save it. At that point, the formatted subscript will appear in line with the rest of your text. If it doesn't look right at first, go back into the equation and double-check that the underscore was placed immediately after the base text. That's all it takes to write Subscript in Notion. It's quick, clean, and especially helpful when you want your notes to look more polished and accurate. Thanks for watching.